everyone, welcome back to new tutorial with me Kirti Gupta. Do you remember these coasters? Yes, we have created these some time back using beautiful decoupage papers by CrafTangles, and I had this strip left over. These patterns are so bright and beautiful, I really had no heart to throw away the leftover strip. And so I just did some brainstorming and came up with this idea of using the half strip and half colored pattern for my keyring holder and creating a coordinator coaster and keyring set. So starting with this, I have chosen a very small surface to work with. This keyring holder is really very small in size, and I'm going to color this in complementing chalk paint colors. I have already primed the surface, created it ready, kept it ready for final color application. And here I worked on two shades of blue, complementing to the designs of pattern paper. And in the end, I just dazzled my project using dash of metallic gold. Just have a look here. It's not very practical science. It's very easy, and I hope you like this project. I have already explained the procedure of priming, creating different surfaces for decoupage and all in some of my tutorials. And if you have any questions, please feel free to mention them in comment section. I hope you would like it, and I will try to get back to your questions as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to stay till end to check out how the project turned out and how coordinating coasters and keyring holder is looking together.